Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add properties to a table in a database in Notion. So first we create the database, which is easiest by opening up a new page and then clicking on the three dots. And in this case we want a table, so we'll create a table. And this is a database, which means we can't add text to other parts of the page. We're just going to look at the database view. So here, table, and then you simply click on this plus add property and figure out what you need. So you probably want some kind of text description. If it's a project, you probably want to add the date. Maybe there's files and media that might be relevant. Maybe there's a URL. For example, if you're hosting a web page or you need information to work on the project, and you can keep on adding these properties. So there you go. Hope this helps. Thank you.